Hello my dear children, I hope you all are good. Today we will study chapter 17, articles. The words the and a or an are called articles. The, a or an. We have two types of articles. First is definite article. Definite article, the word the points out some particular person or thing. Therefore, it is called definite article. For example, the sun, the moon, the Himalayas, the Yamuna. So, the points out particular person or thing. That is why it is called definite article. Then we have indefinite article. The word a or an leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. Therefore, it is called indefinite article. For example, she consulted the doctor. The doctor here means some particular doctor. She consulted a doctor. A doctor means any doctor. Now, use of a or an. We use indefinite article a before those words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a computer, a book, a chair, a girl, a car, a knife. We use indefinite article an before those words that begin with a vowel sound or a silent edge. So my dear children, you have done this in lower classes also. I think you must remember. Example, an apple. A is an vowel. Then an egg, an iron, an oven, an umbrella, an engine. When saying abbreviations, we use a or an according to how the first letter is said. So when we write the abbreviations, we have to take care of the first letter of the abbreviation. For example, an MLA. Here M is a consonant. M is not a vowel, it's a consonant. But we have used indefinite article an. Why? Because it gives the vowel sound A. MLA. A. It gives the vowel sound A. So we use an. We use a or an only before singular countable nouns. You should keep this thing in mind. Never use a or an with plural nouns, only with singular countable nouns. For example, a notebook, correct. A notebook's wrong. A diary, correct. A diary's wrong. We also use the indefinite article in the sense of one. Example, wait a minute. It means wait for a minute. Wait 1 minute. 1,000 people attended the party. 1,000 means 1,000 here. Use of definite article the. The is used with the nouns denoting definite or particular people or things. For example, the Indian football team won the match. The is also used when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. Singular noun is meant to represent the whole class. Example, the lion is a wild animal with the superlative degree of an adjective. For example, the best, the bravest. With the names of rivers, gulfs, oceans and seas. The Nile, the Amazon, the Yamuna, the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, the Persian Gulf. With the names of mountain ranges. Example, the Himalayas, the Andes, the Alps, the Nilgiri Hills. With the names of historical monuments. Example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. With the names of certain books, the Bible, the Ramayana. With the name of things unique of their kind, the universe, the sun, the moon, the earth. Always remember, indefinite article a or an is used when something is mentioned for the first time. When something is mentioned for the first time. We use definite article the if it is mentioned again. Example, a dog jumped over the fence. Again, dog we are using But now we use definite article the. The dog was hungry. Now, omission of the article. Sometimes we don't use any article. When we don't use any article before most proper nouns, names of people, cities, the Ram, the Sita, it is wrong. Cities, countries, and continents. India is a developing country. The India is a developing country, it's wrong. William Shakespeare was a great playwright and poet. The William Shakespeare, wrong. Before languages. Hindi is my mother tongue. I studied English at college. So we didn't use any article. Before names of substances. Gold and silver are used to make jewelry. Diamond is used for cutting hard objects. No article is used. Then before abstract noun. Compassion and justice are great human virtues. Honesty is the best policy. Then before names of relations. Brother has arrived. The brother, a brother and brother is wrong. From Kolkata. Father is still working in his office. Before names of meals. Breakfast is ready. What time do you have lunch? Now, my dear children, you take out your notebooks and write down this in your notebook, the definitions. A and the are called articles. Articles are in fact adjectives. Articles are used with nouns. Then definite article. The word the points out some particular person or thing. Therefore, it is called definite article. Example, the sun, the Himalayas, the moon, the Yamuna. Then we have indefinite article. The word a or an leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. Therefore, it is called indefinite article. A girl, a map, an orange, an egg. Exercises A. Put a or an in the following blanks. A box, an R, because H is silent here. A ball, a pencil, a tree, an MLA. A one-man show, a notebook, a mobile, a house, a minute, an orange, an eagle, an elephant, a hat, a committee, a skirt, a diary, a sweater, a university. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Put a cross in the blank space if no article is used. Sanskrit is an ancient Indian language. The moon revolves around the earth. We shall attend the party after an hour. We have dinner early. Put cross. India is a democratic country. Put cross. He laughs like a fool. The barber has a sharp razor. Ashoka was, put cross, a wise king. Manish is an honest boy. The world is a happy place. It was a cloudy day. A cow is a useful animal. It is a beautiful painting. The Iliad is a Greek epic. This is a tame bear. She spoke in a loud voice. We have a holiday today. I have a map of India. We should never tell a lie. We will be back in a few minutes. Exercise C. Choose the correct article and match it with the correct picture. Number 1. A baby. Baby is given in picture number G. So you can write here G. The army. Army is in H. A butterfly. Butterfly is in I picture. Picture I. The moon. A part. A bear in B. An orange in picture C. A boy. Picture D. An apple. Picture E. the rainbow, picture F. An elephant, in picture M. A mouse, in picture number N. The sun, then an owl, the world, and umbrella. My dear children, we have completed the chapter. I hope that you will revise it properly and note down all the exercises in your books and notebooks. May God bless you all. Thank you.